Aging is a natural part of life, but what if you could slow it down? Today, we're uncovering 10 daily science-backed habits that help your body stay stronger, younger, and healthier for years longer. These habits are simple, practical, and perfect for anyone who wants to live a longer, high-quality life. Let's start.
Number 1. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Good sleep is one of the strongest anti-aging tools we have. Studies show that deep sleep helps repair cells, balance hormones, and reduce inflammation, all critical for longevity. If you want your body to age slowly, start by protecting your sleep every night. 2. Walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day. Daily walking increases blood circulation, boosts metabolism, and keeps your joints young. A long-term study found that people who walk regularly have a 50% lower risk of chronic diseases. Movement is medicine. 3. Eat more antioxidant-rich foods. Berries, leafy greens, nuts, and colorful vegetables help neutralize free radicals, one of the biggest causes of aging. Think of antioxidants as your internal anti-rust system. 4. Practice stress reduction daily. Chronic stress accelerates aging more than most people realize. Deep breathing, meditation, prayer, or simply disconnecting from screens can lower stress hormones and slow biological aging. 5. Strength training 2 to 3 times per week. Muscle is longevity tissue. After age 30, we lose muscle every year unless we actively work to maintain it. You don't need a gym. Bodyweight workouts are enough to protect your strength for decades. 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water improves skin elasticity, joint health, and detoxification. Hydration literally keeps your cells young. 7. Get morning sunlight. Just 10 minutes of morning sun helps regulate your circadian rhythm, boosts mood, improves sleep at night, and even strengthens your immune system. 8. Learn new things. Your brain stays young when it is challenged. Learning a new skill, reading, puzzles, or even learning a new language forms new neural connections that delay cognitive decline. 9. Build strong social connections. One of the strongest predictors of long life is close human relationships. Talking to friends, spending time with loved ones, or being part of a community keeps your mind engaged and your emotional health strong. 10. Avoid sugar and processed foods. Sugar increases inflammation, damages collagen, and accelerates skin and cell aging. Even small daily improvements, like replacing sugary snacks with fruits, will make a big impact over time.
Aging slowly isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about small habits done consistently. Start with 1 or 2 habits from this list, build momentum, and your future self will thank you. If you want more daily longevity tips, make sure to subscribe.